Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find hidden Walmart clearance deals at your store. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Walmart app and make sure you're signed in. Here, click on the drop down just below the search bar and make sure your store location is correct. Many clearance items aren't labeled, but the Walmart app can reveal hidden discounts. Tap the barcode scanner icon. Scan the item's barcode and check if it's marked down. Go to the clearance section in the app. Use filters to refine by department or price range. Check the rollback section. Some clearance deals are listed here instead of under the clearance category. Walk through Walmart's clearance aisles but don't stop there. Check electronics, toys, and household goods. Clearance items are often scattered around the store. Compare online versus in-store prices. Some items are cheaper online. Look at the shelves at the end of aisles and bottom shelves. Many hidden clearance deals are placed where fewer shoppers check. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.